being that any age can play baseball, we really strive to invite everybody to the field. So invite moms, dads, brothers, sisters, everybody on the field at the same time to just incorporate. And once we establish that to begin with, then we have that sense of community through when they're this big all the way to this big. So it's just family friendly, period. Baseball is a big deal in Duluth. We had a semi-professional team here, the Duluth Dukes, many years ago. We still have a semi-pro team, the Huskies. There's just a lot of love for the game.